Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Hawaiian Style Baked Brie. This baked brie is crusted with macadamia and coconut and topped with a pineapple mango chutney, and it is just so good. We're gonna start over on the stove. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Once that's all melted, you can add in some diced pineapple, some diced mango, and then just a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger and about 2 tablespoons of honey. Then we're just going to stir this all together and let it cook for just a few minutes. We're looking to caramelize the pineapple and mango just a little bit. So let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the pineapple gets just a hint of golden brown. Then in a shallow bowl, we're going to mix together 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. You just want to whisk that together. We're going to brush this egg mixture around the wheel of brie so that we can encrust it with the macadamia and coconuts. So next, we're going to take some crushed macadamia nut and spread it out onto a little plate and mix it together with some sweetened coconut flakes. Give this a little bit of a toss to combine. Then you'll need 1 wheel of brie. We're gonna take a brush, then we're just gonna brush the egg mixture, kind of paint it on around the sides of our wheel of brie. Once that's all coated, we can roll it into our coconut and macadamia crust. You want it to stick on, kind of press it in there, and crust this with that delicious coconut and macadamia. And then place it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Now, this next step is optional, but I like to have direct access to the cheesy goodness to have that chutney go on top and seep down into the cheese. So I take a sharp knife and just slice the top right off. Then we'll take our mango pineapple chutney and pile it right on top of our brie. Then I'm going to finish it off by sprinkling on just a few more of those crushed macadamia nuts and then just a little bit more of that shredded coconut. Then we're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the cheese will be all ooey and gooey and melted, and you are ready to eat. I like to serve mine up with crackers, but you can also serve it up with some crusty bread. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.